was fantastic. The weather worked well for us, the sun was shining, and people came out in their droves to see the new bike displayed. Good food was put on, and plenty of tea and coffee went down range. Destination Triumph wanted to create something extra special, so they called in the Speedshop team. So here we have it, the 120th anniversary of Triumph motorcycles. What we've created is a bespoke build on a Bonneville T120. We've used all original Triumph parts and we topped it off with a bespoke paint scheme. I think the parts really brought it together. It stripped it down, it looks a lot slimmer, and it's a really nice build. The paint scheme, well, that's just inspired by the engines that Triumph did. Those iconic machines of back in the day. We've got the Triumph Tiger and we've got the Triumph T120, both depicted on each side in the engine drawings. And on the top, well, there's that badge. That is the original badge that Triumph used.